Well, as far as the Congress party seems to be echoing the vendetta political charge, the politics charge, saying that this is the bid by the BJP when it comes to muzzling the opposition voices. Let's listen into what Vivek Tanka has to say.
बीजेपी ने तो हालत ये कर दी थी कि हमारे अकाउंट्स पहले फ्रीज किए। इससे तो समझ आने लगा ना कि आप कांग्रेस पार्टी को खत्म करने में तुले हो, और आप ऐसे साक्ष मतलब डरा धमका के लोगों की स्टेटमेंट्स लो, तीसरा चौथा स्टेटमेंट उसका लो, पहले 2-3 स्टेटमेंट में वो कुछ नहीं कहता है और फिर उसी स्टेटमेंट को दिखा के आप बोलो चीफ मिनिस्टर गिल्टी है। मतलब जिस प्रकार से पूरी कार्रवाई हुई है इसमें बदनीति दिखती है, और उसी तरह हेमंत सोरेन जी के साथ हुआ है।
Let me go across to Mohit, who is joining us live right now. Mohit, we are standing by for the Aam Aadmi Party is what they claim as explosive expose. But the question today that is now being raised after Arvind Kejriwal was sent to judicial custody, who would be actually the one who would be running the Delhi Sarkar?
Well, Amita, that is the question that the BJP is asking, that Arvind Kejriwal has not resigned, and technically now that he has gone to judicial custody, he cannot give out orders that this could be implemented or that could be implemented in Delhi. So the BJP as of now says that there is a political war and tussle for the leadership that is happening in the party, and with the reports coming in that the ED has yesterday stated that Arvind Kejriwal during his interrogation has said Vijay Nair did not used to report to him but to Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj. BJP is latching on